This a cut and a class of people. All one girl come just come off your transmission. Your transmission. Come on, we got feel away. You know hear about it.
No, I'm never here.
The girl, she was much don't say the girl a Tom girl, she disrespect the girl, she didn't Zeke daily.
Aww.
You know her?
Mm-mm.
Yeah man, she look up a baby, she look up kids.
Oh, no, I'm not. Hold on there, Derrick. But Jacqueline, I don't know why they behave like that. And like I said, me can't make it up. I cannot make it up. Like once me travel, I saw them behave. But in Africa, I was really surprised that they were looking at me like that. Like we're all black people. We're not going to over me. But anyway, Z my talk. Who names? Oh, Z. Who you talk, Derrick? Z?
Yeah. We feel that with embarrass the girl. Come off your transmission, come off.
Well, who says she a transmission?
Blame them. This is like a wicked.
Oh. I haven't been to Barbados yet. Carnival. Crop over, right? But I've been to Barbados, but I haven't been to crop over. I know Rihanna always that crop over because she love it. But Derrick, somebody said Nicki said she go help you get to her house again.
Me don't know about it, though. Me don't know about it.
You sure?
No, sir, I don't know about my friend. I don't know about it because I don't want nobody come embarrass me and shame me. If you see a panel and you go over there and stay them over there, I don't want to cuss, blame them. Because them, one of them are just take over the ladies so like a family them. Yeah. Everybody want lie, everybody want this, everybody want that. I'm afraid of them, my love. Just, you know, see what happened to Rosalie?
No, what happened to her?
You know, you said she, the next police export in a paper and star. You know, see the video go out.
What she do?
Police got house and export are.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I saw that. Oh, when she refused to put on clothes, me see it.
Yes, and she not stop beg. And she and Macri have be a war because Macri come show her house where she build.
But see, that's the thing. Wake up this morning, I missed the whole back and forth with Rosalie and Mackerel with the house. And you see, let me just start out by saying this. Me personally don't have no space for this like nobody. I don't care. I observe situations, I voice my opinion, and that's it. However, as far as I can understand and as far as I can see, when Mackerel come out and talk about our house, it was an issue that our mother brought to the internet. Me right or me wrong, people. Me understand because me not gonna know everything and I might miss some things. But when Mackerel came on and I talk about her house, she's talking about her house and her experience and about her mother. Wasn't that the reason why Mackerel come out and talk about the house? Was there a situation where she had tagged Rosalie and I called Rosalie and I say, Rosalie, look for my house. Me better than you and me have house. Me never see that. So if there's a video out there of that, then let me know. So when we wake up this morning and say, Rosalie, I cuss Mackerel and I talk about, yeah, and I hope you go buy it on this. I hope you the land of you and you come out and show off my house and how Rosalie become a part of the girl's success? How did her building a house affect Rosalie? For Rosalie's the girl. And this is the same person where people, again, like me said, people, you have the freedom for like who you like, support who you support. But me, could I never take up my sorry for and ever give it to Rosalie. Ever. Never. That to me no make no sense whatsoever. This person is so envious of people's success. Like how is it you are cause Mackerel about what she achieve? How does that affect you? Like It's like me not know. I'm me confused. I'm me confused. Me not know. What did I miss? Like I said, is there a video where Mackerel is saying, Rosalie, look for my house, dirty girl. You don't have no shit for your bed in your house, dirty. Look for my house. And me build this. Me gift to them, give me gift. And me use it by house, dirty Rosalie. You can't go buy house too. You can't go build house too. Like, where is the video of Mackerel using the house to throw in Rosalie's face for Rosalie take offense to her success? Please somebody send it to me. Please somebody tag me night. Is there a video out there like that? What did I miss? How somebody that sit down and do the same thing where you do, you choose not to do not with your money, not even buy soap or water to clean your house, but yet still
Nothing.
her success was your issue. Like, I don't know. Somebody send me the video, please. When Makrilla say Rose, Dr. Rose, yeah. Cause me not get it. It don't make sense to me. Hey Cheryl, my baby, what's up, darling?
And she want Nicki be sorry for her. She want Nicki be sorry for her because pretty than tell her Sunday. I'm the part of pretty than she said man to me now park.
But that's what I'm saying. You take up your money and I tell man, yeah, try uno, do what no one do with Derrick. Box him down, kick him down, we pay for that. However, me now say you choose not to put on clothes and the police them tell you to put on clothes. You were literally outside naked, so anything. Just like when TJ and Maya get beat up and rejoice. Anything. If it's good for the goose, it's good for the gander. And that means say. It is what it is.
But now the man and the boy that fight. Now the man and the boy that fight. And it's
exactly. No, but Susan talk truth. Listen to me. Big up Mackerel. Shout out to Mackerel. Mackerel again, like I said, she not get half hour. Some of them other TikToker here get, and she do what she have to do with her money. She is a mother. Could never Spice. We could have never take up my surfer. We could have never take up my surfer and give it to her. Ever in life.
I'm begging something buy a breakfast this man can me feel bad. They are big for morning. I'm buying breakfast. For man she a beg. She said she want two bed. One for she and one for the little kid in them to sleep. And no, she a beg bed and sitting.
No, but at the end of the day, it's already calculated. This girl is making minimum, and a bad month 10,000 US. Between 10 to 25,000 US every month. And she take every opportunity for demand. Because that is not even beg. That's not even begging. We can't understand when people say, guys, help me with this. TikTok, me go need a door. Yeah. TikTok send me money, me go need a door. Yeah. Door me want and a door me need. Yeah.
True that talk, true.
And I'm like, and people just have send the money like, okay. And she over there count out $50,000 them send me by the door. Okay.
And she give and she pay the man them down there too. She give man money. She give man money down at TV too, yeah. And she gamble. At the time she get in a gambling house every day. And smoking cigarette and drink. And
that's okay, Blockbuster. You can love anybody you want to love, and your love, you do whatever you want with it. Mackerel, I want to tag Mackerel in this. I hope Mackerel have it's like how you have people that have it housewarming. I hope she have an Amazon list. Shout out to Mackerel. Big up Mackerel 1, 2. Listen, hats off. Mackerel, big up yourself. My respect due to you. Mackerel, I would recommend that you have an Amazon wish list. Cause me ready if you put something in the Amazon wish list for your house opening. And I promise you, the internet is ready to give you something for your house. You have a child, well, you have 2 kids. And I'm ready. Yes, exactly, Spice. Listen, Mackerel on the tagger. Let me tell you all the time, I have no ill will against nobody. None whatsoever. Therefore, Mackerel, please have an Amazon wish list because you have people that are cheering for you, that are proud of you, and want to see you win. And you have a lot of people that do not give some of these TikTokers money because them no say they not deserve it. But you, however, me willing to drop something on your Amazon wish list. You, however, me ready to drop something on your Amazon wish list for like a house opening and big up yourself. Big up yourself. You don't have to do it by yourself, Mackerel. I promise you, you don't have to do it by yourself because people are proud of you. You know how much big man in a Jamaica still a rent? And it's not a comparison to say them workless or they're not workless because not everybody can make the money that some of you all are making on TikTok to propel in such a way where make a little sacrifice.
But me have to pay every day, every night. Every night me appear, everything I done. People think say I talk about this and money. You think money will save with you and I say you pay rent by the month, you pay by the week. Sometimes
Can't you find an apartment that is just a little one room where you can't afford? I know so that's gonna be a long term because the daily and the weekly, that is what is gonna really mess you up.
that me I tell you on a long time. I'm a friend of me and my friend of mine now actually I seek sorry for me right now. Yeah. Tired of it now, my friend. Tired. From mommy I sit down. I'm saying, I go up on the life and uncle me feel bad. Not even not me two different words of them that can't drop yourself for Uncle Derrick.
Okay. And which part you there now, Derrick? Well, guest house or you find somewhere?
I'm gonna find out where I guess what's there.
Okay. Can't you find somewhere in an area where you know, okay, that is going to be so and so for the month? I just have one little bed and one little stove in there. That's it. You have to understand, people give you because they think you're gonna put your money to good use. But if you continue to just eat the money and now
Money
get somewhere stable, that's why people go stop give you.
I pay for sleep, cause I can't sleep around. Cause I drop stone on my head and I say me a Batman and them something there. You don't know I go on with Derrick Morgan. Then run me all the while. Me a fish, me a Batman and I can sing to me.
But that's what I'm saying. If you find somewhere stable for stay, then them not for run it down because you're in your house.
Yeah. Tired of it. Tired of it. One time you said I would do something with, and you never bother with it. You remember?
Yeah, me tell you somebody go come on and make the people them help. Remember, somebody go live with you for the people that help you buy the fridge, but them cannot help you buy furniture. You know, live now with Derrick. You have to find somewhere stable. So when you said that you want bed or you want a fridge, and them help you forget it, you know, say okay, that is where I'm gonna put it.
Me and something already.
Okay, but if you have them, every time when you go somewhere, when you live in a guest house, you don't need them something there.
No.
So where is it now? Because you're staying at a guest house. So where is the food at the store?
Me think them they are storage. Me think them they are storage. And me have to pay for them as storage.
But that's what I'm saying. That don't make no sense. You put yourself in a position where you're paying for things that occur unnecessary bill on yourself, Derrick.
You want plan?
Thank you, Nadia.
You want plan if you are busy on Saturday or Sunday and you just try when we do a house hunting. Give me son if you have a time. If you have a time.
Okay. All right. So you have to get back the people them trust. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Nadia. Thank you, Han. Thank you, guys. All right. So. All right, I'm going to be straight up with you, Derrick. You have to understand that the people them don't trust you no more. Because them over here in a comment, you know, people gonna talk.
Them talk anything they want. Well, I'm not trust people. Them talk anything they want. Them talk anything they want. I don't care. Because I'm alone. I look place to live.
No, but it's not about. Okay, Derrick, listen. It's not about you alone looking place. It's not that. Remember, you have to understand that. However, the majority view you, that's what you're portraying. So if you want the help from people online, you have to win back their trust, which means, thanks Odette, you have to find somewhere. The first thing you probably need to do, whatever you have in storage that you're paying for storage, you have to probably sell them, get rid of them. 1, 2,
When
you
me
have
sell,
to find somewhere, even if I want a little board or something.
when me sell it, now, selling now, walk up on them same way. Me walk up on them stop. Want to stop by next month. A long time now.
All right. So what is your long-term plan? So people can know what is your long-term plan, Derrick. What is a long-term plan? Are you going to try to get somewhere and keep it? Because it's like every month you try to find somewhere. That's what the people them are thinking.
Look here now, let me tell you something, because some of them love to talk too much. Me get a plate with a rock fort. You hear me I tell you?
Mm-hmm.
And when me go there and my friend move me for anything, man. Set up everything for me, everything out there. So my birthday the 14th of June, and my lady sponsor me. So she gonna make me go watch, she gonna spend my brother my R&B. And me and me spend there on a match. A birthday match. The day there. And me spend 3 days watching. And I come this Sunday. When I come this Sunday, I'm take a taxi from downtown and go up a Rockford. And go down. And I go back around my friend around game chair. When I go on the road, I hear some girl that say, Derrick! I say, alright.
Thanks, Claudia.
When I go, listen, when I go tap of the road, so some boy say, Batman Derrick, I see the Batman Derrick, Ray. I not answer them, because I don't want nobody come beat me and batter me. Like, this one car come and I run on the car, now. I go about my business.
Okay, thank you.
I go about my business. And see a man up the road, up at the bar. You never know, say the man, I've been linked down the yard where I go. Then I want get it coming the place me up with remote get and everything.
Charm, thank you. Mm-hmm.
So the night when I go back home with my games and everything, when I pull again with the buzzer, I see one Rasta man that the yard sit down, look at me that wait for me because everybody gone in. He see me, I got me step in, say to me, say, you see the girl where make you come here, so? You have to lift up a morning. You have to lift up.
Mm-hmm.
So I never answer him. So I walk with him and go up myself and call the girl, and the girl come to me and ask her, what the man do? Him say him to lift up a morning. All me do, me just pack me things and I look up back in my bag and say me not stay. And I lock up the place and I go back out of the yard back. I made a pay up 2 months rent. 100 told me pay for my things and stay in the place. And I couldn't take it no more. I'm a friend of foreign. Make our family move out the things them and get a place. You can store the things them. Oh. Out of Rockford. Oh.
Okay, but somebody's saying that Nicki is willing to help you, and I've seen screen recording where she's saying she's willing to help you, but you just have to show proof. Derrick, you have to stay
That
one
is
place.
Sunday. She said that Sunday. But I'm gonna get back to her because everybody bankrupt. Everybody bankrupt. I'm gonna want nobody come take no liberty and disrespect and come in Batman. Cause anybody come in Batman, make a argue with them. Cause they never see nothing but nobody catching for nobody. I saw them steer. May I tell you?
Yeah, but why you care if them a call you Batman?
Me not business with them, my
They call
friend.
me fish all the while. Me not care. I'm a swim around. It's okay. You tell focus on what people are saying. You have to focus on the fact that you're getting help. So you don't care.
We know that long time. We never make it trouble with me.
Exactly. RB, Nadia, Imani, Odette, Wayne, thank you. You in order for you to see, ask him why never run off a street flex. No, I'm not gonna ask Derrick why never run off of Panama. Why would he run off in Panama? He can't run off in a people country. That's not even a question I would ask him because I wouldn't want him to do that.
Me I go back and Jamaica Republic, me I go Colombia. Me go Madu now. I don't know 1 year.
Huh? Where you go?
Me I go Colombia, me I go Panama back. And Jamaica Republic. And then me I pay it. Not shot too much. But I'm not ready yet.
Okay. Hey, Derrick. Alright. So Derrick, let me tell you now. You have to, in all honesty, you have to find somewhere, a small place,
Yeah.
and focus on that place. And tell yourself, you need help, man. It's just that, remember now, Derrick is not the one paying for the tickets. So even if you might go Panama, Colombia, or Mexico, or wherever, he's getting sponsored. However, and people always going to support. Just like sometimes when people call him, guys, you have to understand how this work as well. Sometimes when I see Derrick eat food, sometimes people call him for promote them restaurant because they know same love. So sometimes he's not paying out of pocket.
Tell them.
Yes, it's like a publicity stunt. It's, you know, if you say, okay, you see the owner stand up beside him or the waitress stand up beside him and he might say, boy, the food nice. Look how the food fluffy. Sometimes I him pay for the food. So understand that part. They're giving him food because they know if he post it and talk about it, he's going to put it on his page. But Derrick, I'm going to tell you this though. You have to show people that you're willing to also help yourself. And I want you to listen to me first. Please listen. I want you to try to get something. I don't know if I know Jamaica funny, you might go if you try and get a job somewhere and them not really take you serious. However, what you can do, some of these people that are calling you to ask you to do promotion for them, show the people them that you're serious and you're willing. Let me tell you something. People are always going to help you once them say I try help yourself. So some of them little restaurants here will call you, I want you for the promotion. Tell them say you're willing to even wash the plate. And if you stay on the front and be a waitress and a waiter. You understand? Tell them ask them for a little work. Even if you stay on the back and wash the plate, whatever it is you can do. Would you be willing to do that, Derrick?
Yeah, we do them something when I'm ready, my friend.
Okay. So tell them, because you know me, I go always reason with you.
Yeah.
So show people that you're willing to work for years, but everybody knows the minimum wage at Jamaica and work at Jamaica is hard. Try to find somewhere first, and in that area which part you live, find somewhere that you can walk. Nobody find nowhere where you have to go take taxi and bus. Find one little place, and right next to which part you live, find somewhere in that area where it probably is like a 10 minutes walk, maximum 15 minutes walk. Make them put her on the back where I wash the plate. Nobody enough to see you. You understand? So you get a little pocket change and you show people say I work, and I promise you, once you show people that you're working and you try, because that's the image people have of you, Derrick. Say you don't want to work, you just want to stay and ask for money. And then you use up the money and then something there.
Me never sit down asking nobody for no money. Because I come from my life and say, stop turn road, stop screaming. Sometimes I get $1 on the screen. I don't bring them all the time, but when I Rosalie a beg and a person and I put up cash up. I never put up a cash up here. I never put up a man there, so I never get $1. I never put up $1 cash up. Me there hungry, me either hurt me and me attack you. Me either hurt me feel all bad. We know when them all got talk.
Okay. Well, people on the live, which part are you there? Kingston or Ocho
Kingston in there. Kingston in there.
Okay. All right. Anybody in Kingston right now willing to help Derrick? Even the people that will always call if you do like a promotion, again, like I said, ask them. Wherever you're staying now, it's not going to be somewhere that is going to be permanent. So try once. Okay, mega promise you this. Find somewhere, Derrick. Find somewhere that you can say, how much for like a regular room at Jamaica? What's the cheapest? You want like a one room? How much for that?
You can get a room half here $50,000.
50,000?
Yeah, I'm more too. But if you attack that in a ghetto era, you can get a room in a ghetto area for cheap rate, but we're not gonna get to.
No, I'm wondering why you're gonna get to either. So, all right, 50,000. Thank you, lovies. All right, so 50,000. We don't want to send Derrick in a no ghetto era. We're not doing that because we want him to be safe at the end of the day. Get a room, Derrick. Chancellor 20,000. 20,000 on decent area. We want him somewhere decent. Even in a somebody basement, even in a somebody like a one room. Just one room we need for Derrick. Just one room. Him alone. Just one room. So anybody on this live that can afford to help him to find somewhere for at least 25 or 30,000 in one decent little area where him can walk. Again, Derrick, I promise you, find somewhere that you know that, all right, in the area they have to take a taxi and a bus because you try to cut down the expense. Paying for a storage is not it. Would you work in a supermarket, Derrick?
No, right now, because supermarket full of beer people.
No, but you don't have to work in the front. You can work on the back. Okay, people, let me just say this. I think Derrick's problem is him have a phobia to people because people always trouble him. So I understand it. Him not want to work in a crowded place. It's not like he don't want to work. You see, I said supermarket. Oh no, hold on there, Derrick. Hold on. May I talk to the comment section? Him have anxiety, and social anxiety, lovies are real. So I want you to understand. It's not that he doesn't want to work. He just don't want to work anywhere that is crowded. So if it's a storeroom where him alone in this year, when me ask him if he would go wash up some plates around the
Sunday, me text her Sunday. Everybody text her, see like how you attack you. Me text her, me know what must me do, because I know them have attack, but you say anybody attack, they don't like me. Because we do it Sunday, all the people them around me, them text her, we don't hear nothing for your gun about it again. They just come and talk, and that's it.
No, I'm saying with the Pretty never texts her back.
No, she never texts back. No. She never texts me back. We text her, people text her, overseas people text her, and we don't get back no response. She do a Rosalie, she depend she a Rosalie, acquired Rosalie, not more. You know, pretty dance already. She just talk and done, and the Rosalie's across Rosalie, not more.
Okay, well, I don't know. Hey, I'm not tag Pretty. Because I'm on the phone them now, so I can't call her. I'm not tag Pretty, let me see what's the deal. Because if Pretty knows somewhere, probably she knows somewhere. But I don't know why she not answer if she says she knows somewhere.
Yeah, because people tag her, people say the message to her and she no response.
But like I said, everybody, Derrick is not going to be interested in supermarket work. Let's be honest, he have social anxiety. People always trouble him when them see him, so he's not going to be interested in doing a supermarket work. You know what? Nowhere we know if a crowd. Just find, if you're all trying to help, then we can say, all right, we try and find somewhere where he can wash up the plate and run a back. He's willing to do that, where he must stay by himself.
And what's my prayer time? What's my prayer? Them coming
no, not yet. I'm still waiting. Exactly. You know, if you understand, people go always in their face a video, why not Derrick Morgan this, you know, it doesn't like it. Nobody would have liked that. We remember some people are troubling him, so we have to be realistic. If him not want in a crowded place, it's justified. Not Derrick this, why you about him and Derrick? Come on, that's not cute and it's not funny. I don't know what's saying go cuss. So we not do that to him. No, millionaire, me never said for work a bank in a year. Me just said somewhere where you can wash up a plate them run a back. No, man, you can go somewhere go wash up a plate them any little thing.
If we can go back to my t-shirt them, we can go back to my t-shirt them. One of the plants we sell bleaching cream too.
Bleaching cream?
Yeah. package them and send them where I go foreign to the people there. Yeah.
I mean, but how you get compensated for selling bleaching cream?
Me just sell it to somebody we have woman in something.
Silverback, Edward, Simone, Lorraine, humble, sexy people, big up on yourself. But that's what I'm saying. How do you have to understand you don't want to do that either, where you sell something for somebody and then when it's time to get your money and them in a problem. You want to find somewhere reputable. The t-shirts, I mean, why did you stop doing the t-shirts?
Show me have ups and down with the bag them and left them here so people will take up my things them.
Okay, so then you don't want do but no t-shirt, leave the t-shirt. Anything that is going to cost you and make no issue, then leave that. Try if you go somewhere where you know say every Saturday or Friday, however them pay, at that you go do. So anybody know any little place where they want somebody to wash up a plate, them run a back and something where you not to deal with nobody not to see him for video and put him online and bother him and run up in pressure, then yes, we can look out for that. The place where they eat the food, they don't want nobody to wash up plate.
Which one that?
The one, them, I think, them, the girl, it never looks so bad, the two lady them.
Oh, really? Long time that?
No, I think I saw that video probably 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, man.
I would not send him to KFC to go work as no janitor either because if KFC ever full. Again, we not try to send him nowhere where people go see him and bother him.
You talk positive things, they might tell you distract you off of where something you talk.
Well, they're not distract me, man. Alright, so people. People. How we do this now? Derrick need a little help now. I feel like say if him get a job, he will keep it. And Nicki willing to help him.
Want really forget some help, want force, want even close on him something. Me just fed up. Everything.
Okay, so let me ask you, this song where you step on, why we not see you do no promotion with that? Why we not see you perform?
With Maka?
Somebody might comment to ask about the song.
Remember say info Maka you that, you know. Me not artist. No, them a talk about perform. Me not artist. She just give me a part in a song, a info.
Yeah, but you can still go with her and do that one little part. Cause you're a feature.
Sometimes me tell you, sometimes she have a problem. She have a problem. Cause sometimes parents them a tell her say she no, they don't want if they want come, they don't care no freshman with her. That them a say. And she a load on her standard. Them a disrespect the lady with me.
Oh.
You know that's what Jamaica people see already, so I'm not gonna look on them.
But you should still be getting some off for the song because she's performing it, so.
Yeah, man, when she ready, she bless me up when she ready, man.
Okay, that's good. Bigger up for that. Alright, people. So with that being said, let's try to look out for any little place. And again, like I said, anybody will call you for the little promotion.
And she try her best too, you know. She do her best for me too. That's
okay,
bigger.
that's good. Can't he work as a security guard at night time? Even as a security guard, you have to be careful because remember, I know if nobody knows that him in the booth as a security, they go bother him. You know what I mean, John? So certain things you don't want to do because again, it's the social anxiety is the issue. No, Dre is willing.
Rather than being a caretaker job to look over people's house, we're gonna fire we take care of people's place. That's a nice thing we don't Derrick man right now.
As a caretaker, people, you're the one that is asking for help.
But they about to help too, you know, them, they get up on out to help too.
Yeah, but they live somewhere. They have permanent address. Boss, stop. So you can compare yourselves to them. I know me gonna keep it real with you. All right. Exclusive melanin says so. Derrick no live nowhere, miss. Derrick no want nowhere. If Derrick is staying somewhere, but he needs a place.
Me not pan she. She can't talk talking to when she want to. She don't know me.
All right, we'll play the game and then me I go jump off.
Yeah.
But everyone, I know wanna make Derrick beat me. Boss, stop! I'm coming. All right, this is the last game, people. I love the guest house them. Okay, so Nicki is willing to help. Pretty says she knows somewhere. I don't know. It's Pretty. God damn, why am I scratch at myself? Shit. All right, it's Pretty online, y'all. It's Pretty live. Carisha, thanks for the rose. If Pretty live, tag her. If she not live, okay. Well, I don't know.
How them Pretty?
Yes, there was no. You said Pretty says she knows somewhere.
Oh, Pretty then you talk. Okay.
Yeah. I can ask her a few. I'm gonna come off my send her a message and ask her what the update.
Okay, darling.
And then my message. You still have the same number?
Yeah, I'm going to see a number.
Okay.
And still if you hear anything, you can still message me same way too.
Yeah. I'll do that. No problem. But the good thing is, at least you have a lot of people that are willing to help once necessary. You're serious. Said the place in Stony Hill. Yeah?